Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to this tutorial on how to copy data into multiple Google Sheets. And we can do it with a click of a button. Alright guys, let's get started. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to click the link in the video description. This will make a copy of the one-click button template. Wait for it to load, and you will see this. Now you need to press the Make a Copy button to make a copy of this template. Okay, here you'll see two cells that you need to fill out. The first cell is where you'll enter the folder ID or spreadsheet ID. That's where you want to copy your data to. The second cell is where you'll enter the range of cells that you want to copy your data into. Now, let's see an example. Okay, here I have a sample schedule. For this example, we will be pasting a set of dates to this table. Oh, there can be many sheets in this file. And yes, we will also have other files. One thing to note, all of them have the same cell structure. Okay, what we need to do is to take note of the range of cells that we need to copy the data into. Alright, let's head back to the earlier spreadsheet. And here, we fill up the range of cells that we want data to be copied to. And in our case it is B2 to H2. Next, we need to indicate where to copy the data to. Let's go to the folder containing the files. Now in my case, I want to copy the data to all the files in this folder. So to do that, I need to copy the folder ID as shown here. Okay, let's get back to the previous sheet. In this cell, paste the folder ID. Now we have one more step to do. We need to go to the source sheet. Here we need to put whatever data that you needs to be copied over. I have already entered the data here at the desired position. Just double check that the data here is in the correct row and column, and in our case it is B2 to H2. Now let's head back to the target sheet. It's time to press this button. When you first click the button, you'll need to give the necessary permissions for the program to run. Click on your Google account. Press Advance. And press this link at the bottom. Last but not least, press Allow. After granting the permissions, click the button again to start copying the data. You can see the script running. And we are done. Let's check out our files. Yes, the data has been copied over. Let's see the other sheets in this file. Yes, the data has been copied here as well. How about the other file? Let's go and check. And yes, the data has been copied here as well. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've learned how to copy data into your Google Sheets. This is a great way to save time and avoid manual data entry. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.